An icon of style, the Rocket Appartamento has been an extremely popular home espresso machine ever since its release in 2016. The newly updated Serie Nera edition builds upon this success with subtle functional and aesthetic upgrades that are sure to capture the attention of any espresso enthusiast. Hi everyone, AJ here from Whole Latte Love, and today I'm introducing the Rocket Espresso Appartamento Serie Nera. This is a heat exchanger machine with a large 1.8 liter copper boiler, 1200 watt heating element, vibration pump, temperature stable E61 group head, and a 2.5 liter removable water reservoir. Serie Nera translates from Italian to Black Series, which is the first difference you'll notice if you've ever seen the original stainless steel Apartamento. The matte black housing on the Serie Nera has a soft, almost rubberized feel to it, and ties in nicely to the black accents on the rest of the machine. While it's the most basic model in Rocket's lineup of semi-automatic espresso machines, the price savings doesn't come at the expense of quality, both in the build of the machine and the drinks you'll make with it. Measuring in at 10.8 inches wide, 16.7 inches deep, and 14.2 inches tall, the Apartamento's space-saving design makes it a great choice for anybody with a limited counter space or a smaller coffee bar at home. Thanks to the low-profile feet, the machine has enough clearance to fit under standard cabinets even with larger cups sitting on the passively heated cup-warming top. The Serie Nera includes Rocket's iconic R branding on the steam knob and Rocket badge on the front. But the most identifiable design element of the Apartamento is the laser-cut side panels and customizable color inserts. In addition to the standard copper and white options, exclusively from Whole Latte Love, you now have 10 other colors to choose from, allowing you to match your kitchen's design scheme or add a pop of color to make the machine really stand out. Aside from the black housing, the Serie Nera adds a couple nice improvements to the original Apartamento. First of all, they replaced the plastic cup rail with a metal one. Having accidentally broken one of the plastic railings in the past, I was extremely happy to see this upgrade come stock on this machine. Additionally, the new version includes a hidden button on the bottom to activate Eco Mode, where the machine will automatically enter standby mode after 90 minutes of inactivity. As of the time of this video, the Apartamento Serie Nera is currently priced at just $60 more than the original Apartamento, which is less than the price of the steel cup surround by itself when bought as an add-on. That upgrade alone would make me choose the Serie Nera version every time. Additional features of the Serie Nera include a magnetic drip tray, steam pressure gauge, hot water tap, and no burn steam wand with 2-hole tip. Being a heat exchanger, you have the ability to brew and steam at the same time, saving both time and steps required to produce a delicious latte or cappuccino. Steam pressure on this machine is very powerful and more than capable of quickly steaming various quantities of milk, allowing you to produce high-quality microfoam for latte art. In the box with your machine, you get a single and double spout portafilter, matching filter baskets, a blind filter basket for back flushing, a high-quality metal tamper, cleaning tablets, a group brush, and a detailed full-color user manual. A concern with many heat exchangers, and especially those without PIDs, is brew temperature accuracy and consistency. After the machine has been sitting idle for a while, common practice is to perform a cooling flush in order to remove overheated water from the system. There are many theories about the best way to do this, and it's largely model specific, but I'll share with you the method that I found to work best with this specific machine. Always leave the portafilter you plan to use in the group when not in use so it stays heated. When ready to brew, remove it from the group, grind, and tamp. Then put an empty single spout portafilter into the group and raise your brewing lever. As water begins coming out, listen closely for a hissing or crackling sound, and watch the water coming out for sputtering, bubbling, or an uneven water flow. This indicates brew water that is flash boiling. Once the water calms down to a uniform stream, run it for an extra 5 or 6 seconds. Shut off the pump, swap out portafilters, and immediately pull your shot. In my SCASE tests, with the steam boiler set to 1 bar of pressure, this process produced consistent, repeatable brew temperatures right between 202 and 203 degrees Fahrenheit, using our standard procedure of measuring temperature midway through a simulated extraction. The duration of the flush will vary depending on how long your machine has been sitting idle, so if you pulled your shot within the last 10 minutes or so, your flush will be much shorter. Being their base model, the Apartamento is a compact, stylish, no-frills machine that can produce excellent espresso drinks. If you're looking to upgrade to a more feature-filled model, a step up in the rocket line would be the Giotto and Mozzafiato Cronometro, slightly larger heat exchanger machines with PID temperature control, integrated shot timers, and available with either vibration or rotary pumps. Going up even higher, you get to the R Cinquantato, Rocket's high-end dual boiler machine and an upgrade to their popular R58. To see a full video review of this machine, click the link up here or down in the description. All in all, the Rocket Appartamento Serie Nera is a great machine for someone who wants to add a touch of style to their kitchen, who values quality espresso and milk-based drinks, but doesn't really need the extra features and level of control of the more expensive machines. If you have any questions about the Serie Nera or any other product in the Rocket lineup, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. I'm AJ and thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and come back to the channel for more of the best on everything coffee, brought to you by Whole Latte Love.